Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your Netflix application is getting stuck on the loading screen. So whether you're trying to open up the Netflix application and it's just getting stuck on loading, or you're trying to launch up a movie and it's getting stuck on the loading screen here, I'm going to show you how to fix both of these issues. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a Samsung Smart TV, but if you do have a different model of television, then you can still follow along as the steps will be exactly the same. So first thing you need to do is just grab your television remote and we're going to press the home button located in the middle here. Then come all the way to the left and select settings. Once you're inside of settings, scroll all the way down to support. Come across to software update and press OK. And then just go ahead and select update now. Now this is going to scan your television for any outdated software. And if you do find an update inside of here, then you'll need to go ahead and install that now. Now, if you're still experiencing issues after updating your firmware, then we're going to head back over to the main settings window. Come down to general and then come across. Head all the way down to the bottom and we're going to select this reset feature. And as you see here, this is going to reset our television back to its factory default settings. So if you have a PIN code set up on your television, then you'll need to enter that inside of here. And then once you've reset your television, we could once again check to see if that's now fixed the Netflix issue. Then lastly, if you've tried all of these steps and that still hasn't fixed the issue, then all you need to do is come over to your home screen once again by pressing this home button, scroll all the way across to the left and select apps. Once you're inside of the apps window, you just need to head over to the top navigation over here. Scroll across to settings and select OK, then navigate across and find the Netflix application. Then we're just going to scroll down here and there'll be this option to reinstall. So you just need to select this, and then once you've tried reinstalling the application, that should have now fixed any issues you're experiencing. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.